Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, and today's spirit wear is skaters versus surfers. Surf the land or the sea. You can dress up in your bathing suit. You can dress up in regular clothes like you're skating outside. You can Google and go to Google Maps. You can watch videos of surfers and skaters. Do whatever you want, but try to have fun with it. Your read aloud today, again, thank you to Miss Mulehall. We have chapters 3 and 4 of Charlotte's Web posted for you today. There is also another video clip if you'd like to see pigs and other farm animals in real life in a video. It's about 3 minutes from National Geographic. For reading today, again, your goal is to compare and contrast two animals while creating a theory of which animal is stronger and writing a who would win book. We're still in the first part of this and really starting to compare and contrast those two animals. So yesterday you should have started to compare them using a Venn diagram. What I'd like you to do today is I want you to take the other animal that you did not research. You researched one and you chose another one yesterday from the Padlets. I want you to take that other animal and you're going to watch some videos on them, so that you can continue to learn more information about that animal specifically. This is going to help you gain more facts about them to really help you make a correct who would win book later in the week. So just as a reminder, all of these books are in your Epic collections, so you're going to want to go to Epic. It has the books on the animals as well as videos if you scroll down. You can also go onto YouTube and type in penguins for kids or tigers for kids and look up videos that way, or even Kids National Geographic. If you click this link, you can type the name of an animal and it will come up with videos and information for you as well. Please take notes on Google Classroom. The template is in the reading section. Again, some of you are still clicking this picture here and sending me a request access to edit it. You cannot have access to edit from this template. Otherwise, it will show up for everyone in the whole class, and then if they change it, your work would get changed or deleted, and I wouldn't know who did it. So you have to go to Google Classroom to get a copy. This is here in case you're writing it on paper, so you have an idea of how to set things up with boxes and bullets. You should focus on these subtopics to really help you with your who would win book. Body, defenses, predators, and prey. Just a reminder, these were your topics when you started, and then the Epic class code is up here in the corner if you need it. For writing today, you are going to take something that you've learned about the new animal and a note that you took, and you're going to write long about it for 5 minutes. If you need, the video is here on how to use a write long, but I do feel confident that you guys have gotten really good at using the sentence starters and doing this. Please remember to set a timer. Your write long should be, I want to say, at least 5 sentences, if not half a page. Some of you are writing like a sentence or two, and that's just not 5 minutes worth of work. For math today, you are going to do lesson 7.12. You are going to need some counters. If you have a second device or you're good at switching between tabs on the screen, then you can use the counters on ConnectEd. But otherwise, a small pile of coins or small Legos, another small group of objects like Barbie doll shoes or eraser tops, anything like that would help you to do this. You're going to watch the lesson video. It is a little bit long, but you are going to want to make sure that you follow the whole thing for practice. Then you're going to do Math Journal page 249 and complete Exit Slip 7.12. Please remember your goal today is to act out using the collection of objects or drawing the collection. I'm noticing that on some of our check-ins and things, we're making silly mistakes and it seems like we're rushing and we're maybe not actually making the visual model. So please make sure that you're actually making the model. Today I've also added your optional science activity for the week. Wednesday and Thursday are probably good days to do this because your work is a little bit shorter because writing and reading overlap. However, you can start it today if you'd like. You're going to make a marble maze. It's a STEM challenge. And you can use any materials that you have at home to make the marble maze. It can be vertical, it could be horizontal, and there's also going to be a Flipgrid that you can share your creations on and how your marble maze works. Okay, so there's some pictures at the side. It gives you some ideas of some materials that you can use, and that's entirely up to you. Okay, again, if you have any questions, I'm here. Bye.